Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display purchase product by user from specific category in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to display purchase product by user from specific category using shortcode in page. Scroll down. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert error and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now first we are going to open category page. On left side you see product and then you see categories, so open it. Now you see create custom snippet section. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see product category. Now you see product category uncategorized, so you can add your product category here. Now go to product categories page. Now scroll down, you see slug, so copy candles. Now back to code. Now paste here candles. Now scroll down, you see shortcode product user candles, so we will use this shortcode on page. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save. Now on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see order section, so open it. Now go to order section. Now scroll down, you see we have multiple orders, but we are going to display purchase product by user from specific category. Now in code we edit candles category, we edit slug, and then we are going to create new page. Now click on page, and now in code scroll down, at bottom you see shortcode, so copy this. Now go to add new page. Now add page title, so I edit title and then scroll down, you see, so add shortcode, so this is pattern. Now you see, and then click on publish. Now page publish done, so open page. Now you see product from specific category show. In code we edit candle slug and then go to edit page and we use this shortcode. Now back to edit code, and now here you see add shortcode. Now copy this code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So now we are going to create new page with another specific category. Now on left side you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. Each time you paste code, then we are going to edit code. Now you see WTWH, now add one here, and also here you see function WTWH, now again add one. Now you see same, and WTWH populate product page we added in previous code, that's why we change it, and then we add WTWH1. And now scroll down, you see product category candles. Now go to product categories. Now copy slug. Now ceramic copy and paste here. Again scroll down, you see WTWH. Now again add one, and then you see product user candle. Now change shortcode. Now paste ceramic. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save, and scroll down. Each time you use this code, then change name also. In previous code we use WTWH populate product page. Now in this code we use WTWH1 and scroll down we change product category here, and then scroll down we change WTWH1 here. And if next time you use this code, then change here WTWH2. Now create new page. Now copy this shortcode. Now go to add new page. So you can add title. So I added title and then scroll down. Now we are going to add shortcode. Now you see this shortcode name, same with this. Now click on publish. Now page publish done. So view page. Now go to page. Now you see two products from specific category we purchased. So this is candle category and this is ceramic category. And you will find code in video description or in comment section. Back to code. So you can add shortcode here and then you can change product category. So add product category slug here, and then on top you see title name. So when you use this code multiple times for specific categories, then you can change code here WTWH1 and also change product category and also change code here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.